It's funny, it is actually big enough to fit.
I'm pretty comfy in here.
If we,
like, I got lots of space.
I guess if you were quite short, I was gonna say if we had guests, we could just take the bike out and they could like sleep. But maybe lengthways. Can you fit lengthways? I actually want to find out.
No.
No, but there's all that extra space there.
Sideways.
Yeah. I mean, maybe some more. Right? I mean, it'd be better than camping.
Yeah.
Guest bed. It's the baby cage, but for adults.
Yay.
Okay, so we didn't put that in. We just got that in there.
Oh, now you stop. Now you want to stop.
Fuck's sake.
Literally.
Just as we're doing the most important part of the whole thing. And that's sunny.
Literally crazy 5-minute hail and now it's gone. Not even 5 minutes. Crazy 3-minute hail. Hold it again to get brighter. It's pretty easy to use. Check it. Lovely. That's sweet.
don't see myself